Hey glow-getters, ready to level up your skincare game? Whether you're 17 or 47, this video is for you. Especially my beautiful ladies who want that glossy, smooth skin that attracts the right kind of attention. Today, we're discovering some amazing, accessible, and effective body lotions. These lotions will transform your skin from just okay to, oh my gosh, what's your secret? I've personally tried and tested these, and I'm here to give you the full scoop. Get ready to take notes, because your skin is about to thank you in a big way. We're breaking down 5 incredible lotions, each with its own unique superpower to help you achieve that dreamy, touchable, and stunning skin. From deep hydration to evening out your skin tone and giving you that celebrity-worthy glow, we've got all bases covered. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's embark on this mission to unlock the secrets to your most beautiful skin ever. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be armed with all the knowledge you need to make your skin goals a reality. Let's glow. 10. Let's kick things off with a true classic, the Nivea Cocoa Butter Body Lotion. This lotion provides deep moisture, quenching your skin's thirst from the inside out. Formulated with cocoa butter and vitamin E, it nourishes and replenishes. The scent is a warm, inviting cocoa aroma that lingers beautifully on the skin. It makes your skincare routine feel like a luxurious self-care ritual. Say bye to dry skin. This lotion transforms stubborn dry patches into smooth and supple areas. It creates a protective barrier that locks in moisture for up to 48 hours. The texture is creamy and luscious, absorbing beautifully without leaving any greasy residue. Your skin drinks it up, leaving a gorgeous, subtle sheen. It's an affordable yet highly effective daily moisturizer. Whether your skin is naturally dry or you're battling seasonal dryness, this lotion is a reliable friend. It's accessible, effective, and feels like a little bit of everyday luxury. A true drugstore gem that performs like a high-end product. If you're dreaming of deeply nourished, incredibly soft, and divine-smelling skin, the Nivea Cocoa Butter Body Lotion is a must-try. It lays down the perfect foundation of hydration, making your skin look and feel its absolute best. Give it a try, and your dry skin will thank you. Next up is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, a legend for tackling uneven skin tone, marks, and loss of elasticity. This lotion is a treatment and moisturizer in one. Enriched with pure cocoa butter and vitamin E, it heals and smooths the skin. Palmer's helps even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. It improves skin's natural firmness and elasticity, keeping it supple and resilient. The texture is rich and creamy, feeling incredibly nourishing. Once absorbed, it leaves your skin deeply moisturized and protected. The comforting cocoa butter scent is a classic, nostalgic fragrance. Palmer's is effective for all-over body use and as a targeted treatment. It focuses on skin restoration and improvement, delivering tangible results. If your goal is hydration, even skin tone, and improved elasticity, Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula is a must-try. It's a time-tested, dermatologist-recommended product. Give your skin the love and care it needs to look radiant and feel resilient. For sensitive, easily irritated, or eczema-prone skin, Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion is a lifesaver. Built on the power of oats, colloidal oatmeal calms and soothes troubled skin. Aveeno's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic formula is gentle yet effective. It helps restore the skin's natural barrier, making it more resilient. Aveeno locks in moisture for a full 24 hours. It absorbs beautifully, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and healthy. It's a fantastic daily moisturizer for anyone preferring a no-fuss, fragrance-free option. Aveeno provides simple, pure, effective care. The texture is light and non-greasy, spreading easily and absorbing quickly. For glossy, smooth skin without irritation, Aveeno is a champion. It brings peace to irritated skin and provides long-lasting comfort and hydration. A staple for ensuring your skin stays calm, happy, and beautifully moisturized. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream is a dermatologist-developed skincare solution. It's backed by science and formulated to restore and maintain your skin's natural protective barrier. CeraVe's MVE delivery technology ensures continuous hydration over 24 hours. Packed with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, it replenishes what your skin lacks. The rich, thick texture absorbs well without feeling heavy or greasy. Fragrance-free, allergy-tested, and non-comedogenic, it's suitable for sensitive skin. CeraVe fortifies the skin barrier, leading to visibly healthier skin over time. It's a long-term investment in your skin's health. This cream is fantastic for the body and gentle enough for the face. It calms and provides intense relief, especially during winter or after harsh exfoliants. For glossy, smooth skin, a well-hydrated and healthy skin barrier is essential. CeraVe is exceptional at helping you achieve that. It's an investment in comfort, health, and beautiful, touchable skin. Serious skincare that delivers serious results. Know you've been a good friend. Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion revives dull, tired-looking skin, bringing back a healthy glow. It penetrates through 5 layers of skin to heal dryness at the source. Enriched with vitamin C, E, and B5, plus Hydralucence blend, it nourishes, heals, and illuminates. The lotion absorbs well, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and with a healthy sheen. It's not glittery but provides a natural-looking radiance. Jergens transforms rough, dull patches into areas of softness and light. The scent is a classic, clean, slightly powdery fragrance. It's a deeply nourishing treatment with visible improvement in texture and radiance. For glossy, smooth, and irresistible skin, underlying luminosity is key. Jergens helps bring that out, making your skin look polished and perfected. If your skin needs serious healing, hydration, and a glow-up, Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion is a fantastic choice. It's designed to tackle even the toughest dry skin, leaving it revitalized and glowing. If you're serious about polished skin and a glow, take the first step today. Check out the lotions mentioned in the description and make that life-upgrading purchase. Investing in your skin is investing in your confidence. Consistency is key, so pick the one that calls to you and make it part of your daily ritual. You deserve to feel incredible in your own skin. Tap that like button. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment with your favorite lotion or skincare tip, and subscribe to the channel for more skincare, health, and wellness tips. We're building a community here, a place to learn, grow, and glow together. When you subscribe, you're joining a movement, a family, a community that cares about looking good and feeling better. Check out the next video on skin reactions, causes, how to avoid them, and effective treatments. Health and Wellness Hub is designed to meet the needs of every family, young or old, to live healthy, glow confidently, and stay strong. You deserve it. Thank you for watching, my amazing glow getters, and I'll see you in the next video.